When you suddenly crave a snack, try this recipe. It's crispy, savory, and packed with delicious cheesy seafood flavor. This recipe is also great for making with kids at home. It's a fun way to spark their interest in cooking, and the satisfaction of eating what they've made is truly unmatched. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. This tasty snack requires just 2 ingredients: crab sticks and cheese. Remember to remove the outer wrapping paper from the crab sticks. If you purchase long ones, simply cut them into sections. Prepare a baking tray lined with aluminum foil and spray a layer of cooking oil to prevent sticking. Place the crab sticks on the aluminum foil and prepare a bowl, preferably a transparent glass bowl, so you can see the texture of the crab sticks as you press them. Gently press down like this, then rotate and press to ensure the crab sticks are evenly flattened and spread out. This process is truly therapeutic. You've got to give it a try. Both crab sticks and cheese can be purchased directly on Shopee. Friends who are interested can scan the QR code shown in the video to make a purchase directly. It's really convenient. Arrange the flattened crab stick slices on the tray, sprinkle cheese evenly over them. I also like to add a bit of Cajun seasoning, but feel free to skip it if you prefer. It's already delicious as is. Place them in the oven and bake until the cheese melts. If you prefer a crispier texture, bake them a bit longer. Adjust according to your taste and your oven's temperature. Baked cheese crab sticks are typically crispy after 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. For an extra crunchy texture, extend to 15 minutes and monitor the color. Adjust the timing based on your oven's actual temperature. Use a spatula to easily lift them off, arrange on a plate, and they're ready to eat. Isn't baked cheese crab sticks incredibly simple to make? This new year, you can even gather your family at home to showcase your skills and enjoy making snacks together. In my New Year recipe series, you can also find delicious and easy-to-make festive snacks and recipes. The popular crispy crab sticks are just as simple. Be sure to check it out if you're interested. Baked cheese crab sticks are rich in flavor, crispy on the outside, tender inside, with a savory taste that blends seafood and melted cheese into pure satisfaction. These baked cheese crab sticks are savory, rich, and aromatic, crispy on the outside yet tender inside. The sweetness of the crab sticks blends perfectly with the melted cheese, creating a satisfying texture. Enjoy them warm for a stretchy cheese pull, perfect as a quick snack or for sharing at gatherings. Crab sticks are primarily made from surimi, typically white fish, providing a good source of protein with low fat content. They contain minerals such as calcium and phosphorus, but may be relatively high in sodium, so moderation is advised. As a processed food, they are less nutritious than fresh seafood, but can still be part of a balanced diet when paired with vegetables or whole grains. Cheese is a dairy product rich in high-quality protein and calcium, which supports bone health. It also provides essential nutrients like phosphorus, vitamin B12, and healthy fats. However, due to its relatively high saturated fat and sodium content, moderate consumption is recommended for a balanced diet. Give it a try and learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe. Definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Momo sincerely thanks everyone for your comments and support. You're also welcome to share your thoughts on each recipe or talk about how you make these dishes at home. Let's learn simple and delicious home-style recipes together. Cooking at home truly brings so much joy, doesn't it? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.